Man, I really hate this time change. It's all dark. Ooh, goodie box. All right, there it is. It's finally here. Let's go check it out. All right, here we go, baby. There it is. Salt City Diecast. Check him out on his Instagram. I already cut the box open. Juan Rubio. Juan sent me a message. Said that he wanted to send me a little box of customs. What is that? Oof. Damn. Put that over there. Ahí está. Salt City _ Diecast. Vayan y visiten la página de Juan. Yo no tengo Instagram, pero hay modo de ver sin tener una cuenta, ¿verdad? There's ways to look at a Instagram without having an account. So I checked out his Instagram. He does some really cool customs. Go and check him out. I'm gonna put his Instagram name on the video description so you can check it out. Oof, man, what is this? Are you serious, dude? Looks like I got some acrylics. Dude, you said you were gonna send me a custom. Open last. Look at open first. Abre primero. Alright, I'm gonna lay this stuff out on the table. Wow, dude. Damn. Ah, right off the bat. Yes, this is like this is a mesto piece, right? Yeah, here we go. Put this over here. All right, first piece, 1987 Chevy 1500 Mesto. This is the one that has that trailer, right? Hood opens. Ah, cool piece, man. I have one of these put away somewhere. I should put it. I'm gonna put this one on my display. Really cool, man. Thank you very much for that. Look at the fat meats on the back. He sent me a bunch of Chevy C10s. Here's a yellow one. Here's a black one. A purple. They made a super treasure hunt version of this. Send me the Zamac. Este es el Zamac C10, C10. Yeah, good. Another C10. This one is from 2013, is it? Correct me if I'm wrong. Here's another C10. Another C10. There's a green one. I think this is a Kmart exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. Here's another red, white, and blue one. Dude, you're killing me. Look at that. Another blue one. 2016. What is this? This is the ROK. Here it is. I tried slamming this and failed. Maybe you can... Yeah, maybe you can still do something cool and make it work. So you try to slam it. Yeah, that's what happens, man. Trial and error. That's how we learn. I'll probably do some axles. We're gonna have to put some tubing in there for the axles and then put some rail riders in there and slam it. So that's cool. Thank you for that. Look at this. This is like a muscle machine, is it? Off-brand Honda Civic. It's missing a wheel. Nonetheless, cool piece. Very cool. Look at another wheel donor that he got. Send me the body. I like this casting. Tailgate, is it? Tail dragger, I'm sorry. Nice pearl paint. I like that. Fuck, dude, you're killing me, man. 56 flash cider. Damn it, dude. Whoa. Oh, luckily it didn't break. It was already coming off the blister. Lucky it didn't fall. Ahí está. Loose. It's cool. That's good. Rubber wheels. Thank you very much. La Troca. Another big favorite casting of mine right here. Very cool. This one is from 2001. A Zamac. Custom 69 Chevy pickup truck. Very cool, man. I have it up on my display. So now I have one carded. Thank you. Custom 62 Chevy. There's another one, C10. All right, the goodies. This is, all right, here we go. What's a super treasure hunt if you can't have fun with it? Oh man, let's see. So there's one that he put, here we go. Open first, abre primero. All right. Wow, man. Unreal. Look at this custom La Troca. Has a little, the spare tire on the side. Some rustic thing going on. Look, it has an air tank in the back with a stainless steel line to simulate airbag suspension. It has 2 spare tires, dude. White walls. Dude, are you kidding me or what? Little wood pieces right here on the side and wood flooring on the bed. Dude, man, this is a cool custom. I see what I'm talking about? I saw some in pictures, dude. This is tight. Nice, very cool. The next one, open second. Holy moly, man, look at this. Custom 62 Chevy. Custom. Front windshield only. No side windows. The sunroof, the moonroof window is gone. Has grass in the back. Spare tires. Look at this, dude. Toyo tires. Tempos right there. White walls. Real Raiders. Dude, no manches, man. Ese sí está bonito, man. I like this. Gloss finish. Juan, te estás aventando, bro. Look at that, man. This is a cool piece, dude. That's it. That's how you had to send me. What are you doing? Alright, this says open last. So we'll go ahead and open this. Ah, you dude, man. Oh, dude. What is this? 52 Chevy, chrome grill. I see you. Look at this. Dude. Oh, man. I'm speechless, dude. Stainless steel line on the back. Wood floor. Spare tires. Wood sides right there. Super treasure hunt, man. Just like his little note right there. What's a super treasure hunt if you can't have fun with it? ¿Qué es un super treasure hunt si no te puedes divertir con él, eh? Damn it, dude. Híjole. The next one. Wow, man. Su madre. Chevy C10 Super Treasure Hunt, man. With the back customized, also cut. Long air tank on the back. White wall tires. Big old steely real riders. Dude, man. Are you serious right now? I don't even know what to say, dude. Next one. All right, this one says open last. So we have this one. Hey, look at that. We did agree on trade on this piece right here. This is the 83 Chevy Silverado from the display case that Hot Wheels released for the 50th anniversary. I finally have this one in my collection. Bam! Damn, thank you very much for that. And the last piece. su madre, man. Look at this. Oh, man. This is wicked, dude. This is that Volkswagen from the car culture cargo carriers, right? There's some work on the base to make it roll. White walls. Look at this inside, dude. Look at this. We got some sarapa material in there. We got a tank. Dude, are you serious right now, man? Breast cancer support. Some stickers right here in the back. My dude, you knocked this one out of the ballpark, man. Blew me away. I'm speechless right now, dude. Check him out, everybody, on his Instagram. Please go follow him. Check him out. Give him a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Comment on all of his pictures, dude. I'm gonna end this because I gotta check out these customs, man. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite custom from this whole batch. Thank you, Juan. I really, really appreciate it, my dude. I'll send you a message and we'll see what we work out, alright? Everybody, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, man, I'm just out for words right now. Gracias por mirar el video, guys. Estoy ahorita en... Unreal. Voy a mirar todos estos customs. Suscríbete al canal si no te has suscrito. Nos vemos para la otra, okay? Saludos, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I'll talk to you guys later.